Human life begins with a highly organized process. Pregnancy starts with fertilization, where a sperm cell from the male unites with the ovum or egg in the fallopian tube. As the sperm penetrates the egg's protective layer, their genetic...
After fertilization, the zygote, this single diploid cell carrying chromosomes from both parents, begins to divide. This rapid series of mitotic divisions is called cleavage. First, the zygote splits into two cells. The two cells...
A few days after fertilization, the zygote becomes the morula, a compact ball of 16 to 32 cells. As cell division continues, a fluid-filled cavity opens inside. The structure is now a blastocyst. Its inner cell...
After reaching the uterus, the blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall in a process called implantation. The trophoblast begins to differentiate into two layers, the cytotrophoblast forming the inner cellular layer, and the syncytiotrophoblast, which deeply invades.
Following implantation, the trophoblast develops finger-like structures known as chorionic villi. These villi extend into the maternal blood vessels, forming the core functional units of the placenta. Through this interface, oxygen and nutrients are transferred from the mother.
As development continues, the inner cell mass differentiates to form the embryo. Three primary germ layers emerge: the ectoderm, which will form the skin and nervous system; the mesoderm, which develops into muscles, bones, and the
As development progresses, the embryo transitions into a fetus and gradually acquires a recognizable human form. The placenta is now fully functional, supporting all physiological needs of the growing fetus. Oxygen and nutrients flow continuously through the umbilical cord while waste...
Placenta is a temporary but essential organ that functions throughout pregnancy. It serves as the critical interface between the mother and the fetus, supplying oxygen and nutrients while removing carbon dioxide and waste products. The placenta also produces